Hey guys, it's DGWhipZ here, back at it again with another video. Now, obviously I have some explaining to do. I obviously took a big break from everything. I haven't been active on pretty much any social media. And I just want to give you guys a video on what's been going on and why I haven't been uploading. I'm gonna be transparent with you guys, which is really hard because like I'm a dude and I don't do this emotion thing, but I've just been very overwhelmed with the whole, I guess, social media thing and having a lot of people know who I am and stuff, reaching out to me and keeping up with uploading all the time, along with living life, going to work, everything, and personal life, and trying to balance everything was really getting to me. And I really just decided to take a mental break from everything. I also just wasn't in the best headspace for doing videos. And to be honest, I haven't had like the finances to like really progress this forward, besides like a few little things. But obviously I want to do a built engine or swap it and do a bunch of crazy stuff, but these thousands of thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars I need, and I just don't have that right now. Obviously that's a lot of money. Some of you guys know this is the first time I've like moved out on my own. I've been living on my own for 6 months, and some of that's been great, some of that's been really hard, and just learning how to be an adult and the learning curves of everything has been quite a journey. Trying to do this while I was also figuring that out was just really hard, and I just decided it was best for me to just take a break from it. And I didn't know how to really explain that to you guys, so I just kind of just went Danny Phantom and I went ghost. I mean, I thought about the channel all the time. I just couldn't get myself to really be creative and do anything about it. And obviously I'm human, so I'm being as transparent as I can. I don't want to get into details and like be a Debbie Downer or nothing, but sometimes things are really hard to deal with and we don't know how to really deal with them, and we deal with them on our own individual ways. I have learned a lot, and I've definitely became stronger and more mature and a better person from these things that I have experienced. But I do want to let you guys know I am trying to get back into making videos. The G has actually been running great. It's like the last like 2 months that I've been gone, it's been running fine. I've had no issues besides leaks, really. I've had couplers pop off me a couple times, but like nothing major. It's running great. I'm almost at 170k miles and I'm hitting boost fine. So I've been taking this out every once in a while. The car's actually really clean right now. I just cleaned it. I mean, besides like the mirrors and the glass, I need to hit them with glass cleaner real quick, but she's good to go. Fingers crossed. It turns out I'm just ignorant and I didn't understand E85 tends to mix with your oil a lot more than regular fuel does. And that'll actually make the oil look milky, but it's not the coolant, it's the E85. I just need to change the oil more frequently, and when I change the oil, drive it, it's fine. I'm not having anything come out the exhaust anymore. Everything's been like great, so I am gonna be out and about a little more. I'm definitely in a better headspace and I'm doing better now, thankfully. But guys, I do just want to let you guys know, those of you that still remember or care, thank you guys for sticking around. I will be making my return as if I never left, and hopefully I'll be uploading regularly. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a quick update on what's been going on with me, why I haven't been uploading, and I will be returning soon. I actually have a video fully edited and everything ready to go, so I'll probably upload that shortly after, maybe a day after or the same day. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, thank you guys for my regulars that regularly watch my channel, like my videos, all the new subscribers I've even gotten without me subscribing. Thank you guys. I'm like, what, at 2,300 subscribers now, which is kind of crazy to think about because I remember not even having 1,000 and trying so hard to get 1,000. So we're gonna continue. We're gonna do what we can to get this thing 100%. My goal is 500 horsepower for this car, and I do still got the WRX. Might be hard to see because it's nighttime. I am deciding to keep this. I know I was saying I was probably going to sell and flip it. I'm keeping this WRX. This is too good of a deal to pass up and get rid of, so I'm just going to get rid of the Outback and keep these two cars. Have the WRX as a daily, and this would be my fun little show car. Not a show car, but just my my little experiment, I guess. But yeah. Thank you guys again so much for following and supporting the channel. I will see you guys next time.